Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are moving on into our second batch of the debate. And for this batch 2 motion is this house belief that artificial intelligence will create more problems than benefits for society. Since the case building is already done, then we are going straight into the debate. The rule is still the same. The maximum for the statement will be 5 minutes each, and the reply speech that will be delivered first by the negative team and continued by the affirmative team will last maximum about 3 minutes. Without further ado, let's welcome the performance of the second batch debate.
Not yet. Sit down. Not yet. Sit down. Sit down, please. Yes. The first speaker of the second batch will be delivered by the first speaker of affirmative team. For Sister Dian Felina, the time is yours.
Good morning, everyone. The Honorable Together. Today, the affirmative team stands firmly in support of the motion. This House believes that artificial intelligence will create more problems than benefits for society. Throughout this debate, and there will be us to define artificial intelligence as autonomous computer system engineered to execute cognitive tasks. Historically required human intelligence, specifically learning, automated data processing, and decision making. The metric of judgment in tonight that is simple: social welfare and long-term stability. The opposition cannot win this road by merely pointing to concurrent convenience or faster workforce. They must prove that these marginal efficiencies outweigh the structural irreversible harms inflicted upon the very fabric of human society. As the first speaker, I will establish our case from two crucial areas of crisis: economic displacement and the systematic collapse of public trust. Structural employment and the myth of labor absorption. Our first argument address of how AI improves structural employment and rapidly expands economic inequality. The core message here is that labor substitution, capital owners are aggressively replacing human works with AI unscheduled because machines operate at zero marginal cost daily. Not every sellers have benefits by cycle or rapid innovation. The dangerous assumption of the opposition is that this is just like past industrial revolution. It's not historically mechanization replace human use, allowing labor to migrate toward cognitive tasks. AI, however, directly targets and automates cognition itself. Look at the current landscape. We see massive displacement in entry-level cognitive jobs. AI-powered customer service systems are completely erasing human call centers. Automated manufacturing and algorithmic data checkouts are eliminating millions of baseline jobs globally. When you strip away these conditional employment opportunities, you don't just create temporary job seekers. You create a permanent displaced underclass that cannot easily upskill. The immediate result is a safer wealth concentration in the hands of a few rich conglomerates, while the efforts wanted to create first economic disenfranchisement.
Okay. The first speaker of operative team spent 5 minutes and 38 seconds. Okay, and then I'm inviting the first speaker of the negative team for Sister Sania Rahma. The time is yours.
I am the first speaker of the team. We firmly oppose this motion. And our team believes that AI will bring more benefits than problems for society. And the first speaker of affirmative team also mentioned that AI can replace human work, but AI cannot easily replace human work because AI should be seen as a tool that creates growth and opportunity. Our team believes that AI bring more benefit than problem. Also, the first speaker also mentioned that AI has some risks. Yes, AI has risks, but every new technology is has risks. But what's better is whether the benefit is greater than the problem. Here's the reason why AI is bringing more benefits for society. AI creates opportunities and support economic growth. AI helps business work more efficiently, reduce costs, and improve the quality of the product and the service. This allows companies to grow faster and become more competitive. As business grows, they invest more in innovation, create new products, and open new markets. For example, AI has contributed to the growth of industries such as software development, data science, cybersecurity, and digital service. Also, there is a research from Fortinet and Planet that shows that over 60% of organizations in the world will rely on cybersecurity platform with AI-augmented automation. This impact is clear. AI is bring more benefit than problem for society. AI drives innovation, increases productivity, and strengthens the economy. A stronger economy means better opportunities, higher living standards, and more resources that can be used to improve society. Therefore, AI should be seen as a tool that creates growth and opportunity, rather than a technology that creates more problems. So this argument is proving that AI will create more benefits than problems for society. Thank you.
The first speaker of negative team spends 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Next, I am inviting the second speaker of affirmative team to Sister Farihul Laili. The time is yours.
Honorable Judge, the opposition might argue that AI is a tool to bring opportunity, support economic growth, and more productivity. Let us be very clear. Efficiency is cognitively hollow if it comes at the clear expense of human livelihood and social equality. They tell me that AI will revolutionize healthcare and education, but they refuse to look at the structural reality. Academic systems are great processes. They reflect human values on a massive, ultimate scale, meaning AI-driven medical and educational assessment systematically discipline marginalized communities. The minor advantages they provide are obvious by the social problems they create. As the second speaker, I will extend our case by tracing the fundamental erosion of individual liberty through our argument, privacy, self-reliance, and the architecture of content. Our argument is that AI usually creates unprecedented threats to fundamental rights of privacy and security. The architectural reality of AI is that it is data-driven. power. Corporations and state actors are now deploying AI algorithms for predictive surveillance and behavior profiling. When every aspect of an individual's life is described, stored, and analyzed by the autonomous system, the concept of personal privacy passes to action. The societal impact is devastating. This data harvesting model exposes millions of citizens to algorithmic manipulation, identity thief, and corporate exploitation. More conversely, it has authoritarian states and unhacked institutions, the private digital prison to monitor, profile, and suppress dissent. Once this total surveillance infrastructure is built and normalized, it is completely irreversible. At the end of this debate, look at the stark contradiction between the two teams. The opposition offers a lot of convenience. The affirmative has shown you the real-world cost of the convenience. First, the structural collapse of the job market threatening economic vulnerability. Second, the liberalization of debt, which destabilizes public trust and democracy. Third, the absolute erosion of privacy turns citizens into products of algorithmic surveillance. When millions of people face economic instability, social polarization, and the loss of basic digital freedoms, the cause of this debate is clear. The systematic harms of artificial intelligence fundamentally operates its superficial benefits. We are proud to stand with the affirmative. Thank you.
The second affirmative team spent 4 minutes and 22 seconds. I am inviting the second speaker of negative team, Sister Maura Reva. The time is yours. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Our team believes that AI brings more benefit than problem for society. AI has multiple in many aspects. For example, in economy, education, transportation, business, and healthcare. In this debate, our team will prove that AI has positive impact on society and contribute significantly to of human progress. AI make our daily life easier and more convenient. Many people use AI every day. For example, they find a route faster in map and translate language, get answer quickly when we need some information, help us to exam or assignment. AI also used in online shop and social media to recommendations based on our interests. In addition, AI helps us remember important texts and manage our schedule. Because the benefit, people can save time, work more efficient, and make their daily life activities. Therefore, AI has a positive impact on society and daily life. Thank you.
The second speaker of negative team spends 2 minutes and 28 seconds. Moving on into the third speaker of negative team, Prince Ahmad Fadil Muzaki, the time is yours.
Honorable Adjudicator, the opposition team has spent this round defending a fantasy. They have painted a beautiful picture of a world where AI solves climate change, cures diseases, and frees humanity from labor. But notice what they did. They spent their entire time defending the potential of the technology, while completely failing to defend the actual reality of how artificial intelligence operates in our current social and economic structures. As the affirmative view, I will collapse their case by analyzing the two central classes clashes of this debate and proving why the affirmative has won this round. First, the illusions of progress versus the reality of human replacement. The first major clash is economy. The opposition attempted to brush aside our arguments on unemployment by claiming that technology always creates a new sector. They told you that workers will simply transition into hyper-level cognitive roles. This is perfect mischaracterizations of the modern economy. As our first speaker explained, artificial intelligence does not wait for humans to upskill. It directly automates the very cognitive field that displaced workers are supposed to transition into. When entry-level tech, copy editing, customer service, and administrative roles are automated overnight, the labor market does not gracefully evolve in fractures. The second speaker successfully pointed out the fatal flaw in their logic. The oppositions confuse corporate productivity with social welfare. A country's GDP can look fantastic because tech monopolies are printing money using artificial intelligence. But if millions of citizens are left underemployed, economically vulnerable, and stripped of dignity, then society is failing. The opposition values the efficiency of the machines, the affirmative values the survival of the human being. This clash goes clearly to the affirmative. Second, the self-regulation myth versus the systematic collapse of truth and liberty. The second clash centers on the information ecosystem and individual security. The opposition's entire defense against deepfakes and mass data harvesting is a clear circular argument. They say we can just use AI to fight AI. They want you to believe that algorithms will magically police themselves. This is structurally impossible. The business model of artificial intelligence is inherently predatory. To make an artificial intelligence more effective, companies must violate privacy. They must harvest more data, track more behavior, and build deeper surveillance network. You cannot regulate technology whose very exigence is the exploitations of human data. Furthermore, Their defense ignores the structure asymmetry of harm. It takes an automated artificial intelligence system mere seconds to generate a hyper-realistic debate that can manipulate an elections or spark ethnic conflict. In the conclusion, honorable adjudicators, this debate comes down to a fundamental comparative standard. The opposition team has shown you the benefit of AI. It offers confidence, speed, and optimization for those who can afford it. The affirmative team has shown you the foundational problems AI inflict on everyone else. The structure, loss of livelihoods, the deed of objective truth, and the complete erasure of individual privacy. We do not deny that AI brings conveniences, but a society cannot function on convenience alone when its economic baseline is destroyed. Its democracy is poisoned by lies, and its citizens are placed under constant digital surveillance. The problems are structural, systematic, and devastating. The benefits are superficial. The affirmative has met its burden, exposed the naive assumptions of the oppositions, and proven that AI creates far more problems than benefits for human society. Thank you and sorry.
Nice. The third speaker affirmative team spent 6 minutes and 37 seconds. Wow, that's almost like a cultum. And then the last statement will be delivered by the third speaker of negative team, and it will be delivered by Sister Indika. The time is yours.
Purpose is debate. Our team has shown that AI help people in many aspects of life. It's about education, healthcare, communication, and many daily activities. AI help people multitask more efficiently and save valuable time. AI makes daily life more convenient. Many people use AI every day to find directions, translate languages, access information quickly, and manage their schedule. This benefit make everyday activity easier and more practical. In addition, our team demonstrates that AI creates opportunities and support economic growth. AI helps business become more productive, encourage innovation, and create new opportunities in growing industry. As a result, AI contributes to a stronger economy and better opportunities for society. The government team focused on the rise of AI. While we recognize that some challenges exist, this challenge can be managed through responsible use, education, and proper regulation. The existence of risk does not mean that AI creates more harm than good. When we compare both sides, it is clear that the benefits of AI are greater than the problems presented by the government. AI improves people's lives, support economic development, and help society move forward. For this reason, we rejected this motion. Thank you.
The third speaker of negative team spent 2 minutes. And now, welcoming to the next session, it will be in the reply speech and be delivered by the speaker from negative team. The time is yours.
As a reply speech of the opposite team, I would like to explain why our team should win in this debate. It is debate to show that AI brings many benefits. AI help doctors provide better health care, support students in learning, and make learning tasks easier and faster. We also explain that AI about the AI violence, privacy, exploitation of human data, but AI has grown and it can be safer than human system because it can happen human error. When we compare both sides, it's clear that the benefits of AI are greater than its problem. AI helps people improve their life and support progress in many areas. For the research, we reject this motion. Thank you.
Okay. The reply speech from negative team spends 1 minute. The next reply speech will be delivered by the speaker from affirmative team. The time is yours.
The Honorable Executive, as the reply speaker of the affirmative, I will summarize why our side has clearly won today's debate. The first major issue in this debate is the economy and equality. Our team demonstrates that AI is fundamentally different from previous technological advancements. Unlike earlier mechanisms that requires physical labor, AI directly replaces cognitive labor. As a result, millions of workers in customer service, administration, retail, and other sectors face permanent displacement. The opposition argued that new jobs will emerge, but they never explain how millions of displaced workers can realistically transition into new jobs within a rapidly changing economy. The second issue is trust and public trust. We prove that AI has become a powerful tool for misinformation through deepfakes, fake news, and scientific content. The opposition may argue that technology can help detect false information, but they ignore a simple reality. Once trust is broken, the damage has already been done. The third issue is privacy and individual freedom. Our team showed that AI depends on the continuous collection and analysis of personal data. This creates unprecedented opportunities for surveillance, manipulation, and exploitation. The opposition never provides a convincing solution to the dangers of mass data collection or the growing concentration of power in the hands of corporations and government. Now let us look again. The opposition offers confidence, speed, and efficiency. The affirmative has shown structural employment, the collapse of public trust, and the erosion of privacy. For this reason, the balance of this gap strongly favors the affirmative. Thank you.
The reply speech from affirmative team spans 2 minutes and 52 seconds.
Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our debate for the second page. And for that, I will invite the audiences to judge who is the winner and also the best speaker. But for this, I will give you a personal space to do that. Since the time is running out, then I will just end up the debate and also overall the performance. Give applause to the best two of our debate. And now I will let everyone to leave the seat and return to the respective seat. You can say hi to the you can say hi in front of the camera because it's not off. Yes, it's still on. Come on, sit down. Yeah.
Yeah,
Show your